Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't been able to sleep for the last few hours, mainly because of my pup. I'll show you her. This little stinker, where's her face? This little stinker decides to chew on this. My laptop case. It's... See? This thing's very interesting. Each time she comes in here, she likes to lay on it. Yeah, I don't know. Right now, I'm just playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Because I can, and because I'm bored. And because I didn't sleep. So, I got a little cut on my lip from her. Yeah, if you can see it, she got me kind of good. And she got me... Where was it? Right here. You can't see it now, but there was a huge gash. Yeah, so this little turd muffin decides to stay up, play with her rawhides, trying to get her back to sleep right now, and so far I'm having some luck, but not that much. Why are you hiding, girl? Come on. Yeah, I haven't been able to post a while because of work. I'm working 3 days a week, 5 hours. And then on the days I'm not working, I am working on something else. So, yeah, I do plan on making a little vlog. I do plan on getting my gaming channel up soon. Like, no joke. This thing I'm doing is helping me. I get money, save it, I get the stuff I need, and yeah, then I'll be a legit gamer, and then I'll hire someone to help work with me once I get to 700,000 subscribers. That'd be good. I at least wanted to get into triple digits. Yeah, I'm not doing a long vlog. Alright, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Bye, family. I want to call us the Gabby Nation because my dog's name is Gabby, but I have no idea what to call us. So please comment what we should be called in the ring below. Alright.